Diyan. Anong meron? Ha? Anong meron? Uwi na ako guys. Tapos na silang kumain. Gabi na naman. Sacrifice going here guys. My feet too much hurt. Because long day I'm going here. Long day, night. But I love them so much guys. Here I'm holding guys. And I'm holding here 3. Maybe I'm falling down. Hey. Look at that, my feet. Nice. And holding here. Hey. My goodness. Wait a minute, guys. My feet. I'm holding here. Yeah. Wait a minute. Hey. Going back home now guys. They are finished it dinner. I'm going to take rest now.